talks and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Say maybe if you asked me yesterday.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all of the different accessories that I purchased for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm pretty confident that there's some accessories that you may not have seen. I do have quite a lot. Now, if you would like to see the unboxing of my DJI as well as some footage, because I did take it down to London with me the other day and I did vlog a little bit. So if you want to see that whole process, then I will link that video down below in the description for you. But today we are just going to be focusing on all of the different accessories that I purchased for my Pocket 3. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is this car mount here, which I purchased off of Amazon. It is so good, and it keeps your Pocket 3 in place. Once you lock it in place, your camera is not going anywhere. So a lot of people tend to use this even on the sides of their car if they want to get footage of the outside of the car when they are driving. And then obviously you can also mount it to the dashboard. You can pop your Pocket 3 onto this and you can film without worrying that it's going to fall off or anything like that. Now, the reason why I purchased this one, not only did it get really good reviews, but it has this locking mechanism, this quick lock. Is that what it's called? I don't know exactly what it's called, but I will leave the links down below so you can check it out for yourself. Please forgive me because I'm not very technical. I'm just showing you what I have and trying to describe them the best way that I can. I like the fact that it's very quick to attach your DJI Pocket 3 and to detach it as well. It just makes the process so much quicker and easier whenever you want to film yourself in the car. You haven't got to really worry about anything. You can just simply put your car mount onto the dashboard or onto the windscreen, wherever you would prefer, and then it's really quick and easy to just attach your DJI, and it's super strong. I haven't had any problems with it at all, and I would definitely highly recommend. So the next accessory that I want to show you is this magnet. Now, I'm sure probably most of you have seen this already, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this, and I do have something a lot better than this one. So say for example you're someone that likes to film in the gym, because I like to film in the gym, whether you're filming reels, whether you're filming long form content, this is really great to get those angles. But what I found is when I'm in the gym and I'm focused on my workout, the last thing that I want to be focusing on is fidgeting about with accessories for my Pocket 3, and I found this one to be a bit fidgety. Now obviously when I'm at home and I'm playing about with it, it's fine, but when I'm in a gym and there's lots of people around and the music's playing and my focus is on my workout, the last thing I want to be doing is messing around with this. So I decided to have another look on Amazon to see if there was anything better, and there was, and it's this one here. This is so much better if you are after a bracket for your Pocket 3 and you want it to be very strong. This one is perfect. The magnet on here, I want to say it's probably double the amount of strength in comparison to this one here, which seems to be the most popular one. I really do prefer this one. Now that I've got this one, I don't really use this one. I mean, it's great to still have in the collection, but this is the one that I gravitate to because it's just really quick and easy to use. You simply just mount it onto some metal. Once it's in place, you can just easily screw your Pocket 3 onto it, and then you can obviously use the Mimo app so that you can see where you want to be filming or taking photos. And I've had no problems with it. As I said before, it's so strong. It's that strong sometimes I have a bit of an issue taking it off the equipment because it's that strong. With this one, I never really had that issue. So yeah, if you were thinking about getting one or the other, this is the one. I'm not even kidding. This is the one that you should get. But you know, it's fine having this one in my little accessories pack, but not gonna lie, this is the one that I gravitate towards the most. Now, the other thing about this is it can swivel around, so you won't have a problem setting it up and positioning your camera to the right place so that you are able to film yourself or whatever it is that you're filming. So I highly recommend this. This is probably one of my favorite accessories out of everything that I'm going to be showing you today. I also purchased this Ulanzi tripod, and this is the miniature version. They have one that's very similar to this, but it's longer, and the reason why I got the shorter one is because it does actually have, it has this little mounts on the side so that you can attach different accessories to it. So you can attach your mic, you can attach a light as well, and that's the main thing that I use it for, is the light, which I'm going to show you as well. So this is the Ulanzi light that I purchased. This is super bright. Definitely would recommend the light if you are having any type of lighting issues. I did find that the low light setting on the Pocket 3, it's decent, but I need more. I need more lighting, okay, when I'm filming in low light scenarios. And so this light comes in handy, and it's great because it just easily attaches to the tripod. I'm not quite sure why they didn't do the taller tripod, the longer one, with the mount on the side, but that's not really a problem because you can actually purchase this accessory. You can attach the mic and the light to this, and you can attach this to your Pocket 3 and then attach it to the tripod, and you have a full setup. So you've got your camera, you've got your light, you've got your mic, everything that you need. And this is very, very lightweight as well, so it's excellent for travel, and that's the main reason why I bought it. So yeah, the Ulanzi tripod with this attachment here, where you can attach the two accessories like the light and the mic. So I also purchased a second microphone. I do have somebody else who films with me, my husband, and I also have a friend who's going to be filming with me in the future, and so I thought it would be best to have a second mic. And you will notice that it has a silicone cover or a silicone case on it, and I just got that one so I could easily distinguish between the two mics. But I also like the way it looks as well. This is what it looks like without the mic being in it, because you get two in a pack. You know, it has good grip, so you're not going to drop it when you are holding the mic. But yeah, I really wanted the two mics, and I'm so glad that I've got the two. It works amazingly well. It's literally exactly the same as the mic that comes in the Creator Combo Kit. So yeah, second mic was a necessity for me personally. Speaking of mics, I also purchased the lav mic as well. I really like this mic. It's really, really titchy, and it just plugs into the mic that comes with the DJI, and you're good to go. You can clip this inside your shirt. You can clip it like at the side of your shirt, wherever it is that you want to clip it, and the audio on this sounds good. It's really inexpensive, and I would recommend it. Now the last mic, yes, there is another mic, is this handheld one here, and I got this because I'm going to start filming podcasts, I think, on my channel. And not only that, I want to interview a couple of people, so I purchased two of these, really inexpensive. And what you do is you just attach your mic to this part here, and then you can just easily pop on the windshield over top of it like that, and you are good to go. Now another thing that I like about it is it does have, I think it's called a quarter screw, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. It does have one of those on it, so you can attach it to a tripod and sort of have it like that on your desk, with the tripod obviously resting on the desk. So that's why I actually purchased this one in particular, and it did come with two mics. I think I paid about like just under £20 for it, and it sounds so good. I would definitely recommend this if you're someone who is interested in interviewing someone or doing podcasts or anything like that. It's super clear. I wouldn't say that the actual handheld bit is like of good quality. It isn't good quality, I will say that, but it does the job, and it doesn't really look like it's poor quality in my opinion. So yeah, I would recommend them. I also purchased an extra SD card and the adapter that goes with it as well. If you don't know, when you purchase your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it doesn't come with an SD card. You actually have to purchase that separately. So I did that, and then I realized that I was constantly panicking, thinking I haven't got enough memory, I haven't got enough space on this card. So I just went ahead and purchased a second one as well. I just think it gives you really good peace of mind. So I would recommend, if you are someone who's out and about doing vlogs, you don't want to have to worry about storage, and so you might want to purchase a second SD card. I got these miniature covers for my Pocket 3 as well, and this is what I use more than anything else, obviously, because I use this to cover my Pocket 3 to protect it. I don't use the case that came with it. I haven't used it not once because I just saw too many reviews of people saying it weren't all that good and whatever, and I didn't like the hard shell. I like the silicone ones, so I just purchased these. It just came in a packet of two. It's been protecting my Pocket 3, and so this is something that I would recommend to you also. Now I did see quite a lot of people purchase this one as well, and this comes with the full kit where you can completely cover your pocket free. But I will say this, I'm actually going to return this. I don't like it. For some reason, the silicone that they use for this is quite slippy, and it's very fidgety to get your pocket free into the case as well. I didn't like it. I was panicking thinking I was going to break my pocket free because yeah, I'm not the best when it comes to things that are all like fidgety. I don't like it. When I actually managed to get it on to the pocket free, it was just so slippy. It's slippier than when you haven't got it on. So I was just like, yeah, no, it's not for me. It might be for some. Some people seem to like it. I certainly don't, and so I will be returning it. And I'm just happy having the miniature version of just having this part here which covers the lens and this part here that covers the screen. I got a 2-pack of screen protectors as well to cover the screen on my Pocket 3. I've got one on at the moment and it's absolutely fine. I'm able to use the touch screen absolutely fine, no issues. And this is just the second one that came in the pack, because obviously I got 2 in the pack. But yeah, I would definitely recommend that you get the screen protector. It's just like the protectors that you put on your phone. So yeah, I just got it just in case, you know, I didn't want to scratch my screen. Definitely worth it, inexpensive. I got this stand for the Pocket 3 as well, and I only tend to actually use this when I am charging the camera. That's it. That's all I use it for. And it's pretty decent. You can get the silicone one as well, but I just opted to get this one. I've had no issues with it. You don't necessarily need one of these. You can actually use the stand that comes with the combo kit if you would prefer. But I went ahead and got this one, and I'm glad that I did, because it just makes it really easy to stand the camera up while you are charging it. I've got one of these little velvet bags as well, and this is just simply for me to carry all of my accessories in, because I will lose them if I don't just keep them all in one place. I purchased this very sturdy K&F tripod. Now, you don't necessarily have to get one of these, but I chose to get it because sometimes I like to film on site. So I went to the park one of the days and I had to do some filming. I had to film my car, and it was a bit of a windy day, and if I had used like one of these kind of small tripods, it just wouldn't have worked out very well. So I was sure to purchase my K&F tripod, which is great because it works for some of the other cameras that I have as well. So if you are someone that's thinking about taking your Pocket 3 out and you're going to be filming yourself, then it might be a good idea to invest in a nice sturdy tripod so that you're not worrying about the wind blowing it over and damaging your camera. This is another tripod that I purchased as well, and I like to use this one when I'm filming in the gym. This is perfect for the gym. If you are someone that's going to be filming in the gym, I would recommend, if you can, to try and get a white tripod, especially if the lighting isn't all that great in your gym. My gym is pretty dark, and I've filmed with a black tripod before in the past and somebody nearly walked into it. So I like to carry this white one because it's very clear to see. People can see that I'm filming, and yeah, it just makes it a little bit easier, and plus I like the way it looks. Now, this is a case that I would recommend also. Now, I use this case if I'm just going somewhere where I'm going to be filming for a short period of time and I don't need to carry the charger, because it can't fit the extra charger that comes with the Pocket 3 in the combo kit. So this is the case that I like to use. So when I'm going to the gym, I know I'm only going to be filming like really short clips, so I don't need to bring my charger because the camera is fully charged when I take it out the house. And this just easily fits into my gym bag. It keeps everything nice and secure. The compartment in it also allows for you to fit the silicone cover onto your camera as well. So no issues. I'm so glad that I purchased this because it really has been coming in handy. And I got the bigger version as well, which fits everything in it, from my mic to my charger to the stand. It literally fits everything in it, and I like the fact that it's got the zip pocket on the inside as well, because then I can bring my SD card, I can bring some wires with me when it comes to charging. So I really like this case. I used it the other day when I traveled to London, and it was perfect because yeah, everything fit nicely in here. So I also got a diffusion filter, which is currently on my camera. It has the ND filters on it, as well as the quarter mist diffusion, I think it's called. As I said earlier, I will link everything down below for you, but I absolutely love this filter. The only thing, and this is for you women out there, if you are like me and you have nails, it is a struggle. it is a struggle to get this thing off the lens. I can't do it. I've never been able to do it. My husband always has to take it off for me, but it's still worth it. I do really like to use it, especially when it's really sunny outside. But yeah, I really do like the fact that it has the ND filters with the actual quarter mist diffusion on there as well, so that I don't have to keep on taking it off and changing it for a different filter. It's just all in one, so I really like that. And the reason why I got it all in one obviously is because of my nails. I just cannot get it off. I can't. I've tried and tried, and I have never been able to get it off with these nails on. And these are quite short, so that's the only issue that I have with it. But apart from that, it's excellent quality, gets the job done. And yeah, I'm so glad that I have it, and I would recommend for you to purchase it as well. Now, I know that these next couple of things that I'm about to show you aren't really accessories, but you can use them as accessories, and they are definitely needed. Not these ones particularly, but I'm going to show you them anyway. And that is how to carry your Pocket 3. If you are someone that goes out and about and you want to use this camera for vlogs, you want to think about how you're going to carry it. Now, of course, you can use the case that I showed you earlier, the grey case, but I found that this is just, you're on the struggle bus. You are going to be struggling to be walking around and opening up the zip pocket and taking things out. Like, it's just a mess. So I would recommend that you get a bag for it. I decided to go with this River Island bag here. It is perfect. So when I did my first vlog with this camera in London, it was so easy to just pop it into the bag, easily take it out of the bag. It was big enough to carry all of the accessories that I needed. It carried my mics, it carried the stand, the charger, like everything that I needed was able to easily fit in the bag. But more importantly, it's just super easy to be able to take the camera out as and when I needed to, and it was right there by my side, so I just felt like, you know, it was nice and secure. So I would recommend that if you're going to be out and about traveling and you're going to be vlogging, this type of bag is perfect. Obviously, you don't necessarily have to get the River Island bag, which I will have linked down below for you, but you could get a bag similar to this one here, and yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Now, another bag is this one here, and I thought I would show it to you because, you know, when you're going to like an event or something and you want to vlog the event, it's just really nice to carry it in a pretty little bag. So this is the one that I got, and again, it can fit everything in this one in particular that again I got from River Island. Of course, you don't necessarily have to get this one. I just figured I would just show you these bags anyway, you know, just for reference, I guess. But I wanted to show you how I transport my Pocket 3 out and about, whether I'm going to a nice event or whether I'm just out and about on the road. Then yeah, these bags are absolutely perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, love, light and blessings to you and yours, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and leave.